So to make it easy, you want to use your computer or laptop or smartphone to do this because you cannot actually do this on the streaming devices like your smart TV or Roku and so on. And then here on the desktop, you want to go to YouTube TV and then click on this tv.youtube.com. After you're signing in, you can either choose or search any movies right here with your search bar at the top right of your screen and then search for any movies, series, or show that you want to mark. Or you can just hop onto library and select the show there. Here, for example, I want to search for Modern Family and then just click on Modern Family right here. And on this window, you can just choose on which episode that you want to mark, or if you want to mark as watch on all of it, you can just click on these three dots on beside every episodes and just choose to mark on a specific episode right here on mark episode as watch or all episode at once. And then if you cannot find these three dots right here on beside every episode, on the desktop, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click on your profile picture. Then you want to click on settings right here. After that, you want to click on privacy at the left side of your screen. And you want to make sure you are turning off this pause search history because if you turn it on, you will not find the three dots later. And you can actually do it on your smartphone by opening YouTube TV application. And then on the specific episode or show, you can just do a long press on it. And then the option to mark as watch will be appear. And then you can just click on it. If you are still having trouble to find three dots, even when you follow all of the steps in my video, you can contact YouTube TV support for help. To do it, on the Google, you want to search for YouTube TV help, and then on the first link that said support.google, you can just click on it, and then you want to scroll down to the bottom until need more help, and then click on contact us. For a complete video guide on how to contact YouTube TV customer service and then talk to a real person, you can check the link on the comment section. And then just for your info, the Mark as Watch is supported more on high-end devices, so you can try to do it from your newest devices. If you have any question, please do comment down below. I will try to help you and assist you as the best I can do. And that's how to Mark as Watch any show on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.